Want a taste of Argentina without leaving your kitchen? We've got you covered. This chimichurri shrimp recipe is bursting with flavor. It's fresh and zingy. Best of all, it's super easy to make. You'll be tucking into this tasty dish in no time. Let's get cooking. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. For this recipe, you will need fresh, juicy shrimp peeled and deveined, a bunch of fresh parsley washed and ready to chop, some fragrant cilantro washed and ready to chop, a couple of cloves of garlic, a fresh lemon, because everything is better with a squeeze of lemon, a red chili for a little kick, some olive oil for that beautiful golden sear, and salt and pepper to taste. Now let's grab our tools. You'll need a few simple things: a chopping board, a sharp knife, a small bowl for the chimichurri, and a large skillet or frying pan. Ready? Let's cook! First, make the chimichurri. Chop the parsley, cilantro, garlic and chili as finely as you can. Put them in the bowl. Add a good glug of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice and a pinch of salt and pepper. Give it a good stir. Next, sear the shrimp. Heat a little olive oil in the skillet over a medium heat. Add the shrimp to the hot pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they turn pink and opaque. Finally, serve it up. Spoon the chimichurri sauce over the shrimp. Serve immediately with some crusty bread for dipping. There you have it. A taste of Argentina in your own kitchen. Enjoy.